Hi, this is Michael Doctorman, and I want to talk about Employment Practices Liability Insurance, or EPLI. It is a coverage that protects you from your employees suing you. And frankly, you have a higher probability of your employee suing you than you do being sued in an automobile accident or slip and fall on your property. Every year, when we quote this insurance to clients, and the majority of our clients now carry it, but every year I have clients that tell me, oh no, we don't need that. We're like family around here. We've been here together for years. Nobody would ever do that. And every single year I have to have conversations with 3 or 4 clients who chose not to buy the insurance but are now being brought into a lawsuit. Desperate employees do desperate things. Good employees have problems and then get dismissed and then become angry employees. So Employment Practices Liability Insurance, EPLI, extremely important coverage. Protects you from wrongful termination, discrimination, harassment, any number of things that an employee can claim on their way out the door.